You cannot fix problems while sitting in the same environment that created them. To start seeing different results, you need new energy. You need a new perspective. You need Miami. This spring, 2026, we are taking over the city for the inaugural Case Acceptance Mastery event. This is 3 days of intense focus, sun, and high-level strategy. We are going to help you install DSD's complete operating system for ethical, profitable growth that you can take back to your practice immediately. Expect expert guest speakers. Expect how to attract, connect, and convert clients ethically. It's going to be powerful. It's going to be transformative. There will be many future courses, but there will only ever be one inaugural event. Do not watch this happen from your phone. Be there with us. Get your ticket before they are gone. Welcome to Miami.